ways to organize an obnoxiously small cupboard at 3 different price points. First, I'm Allison, a home organizer, and I've been helping clients reclaim their space and lives for nearly a decade now, so follow along if you want to get organized. Before I show you the 3 different organizing tools that I would use for a space like this, you need to declutter. That means taking everything out, sorting it out, and being really critical about what you have in there, if that is the correct home for it, and if you need it all. Like, really need it, not just like, oh yeah, I use this sometimes, but like you actually need it and there's nothing else that you have in your space that could replace something like that. Number 1 is this Lazy Susan. I actually got this one at the dollar store. It was $4.75, which is a really good price for this. It seems pretty sturdy, and I did measure the space beforehand to make sure it was gonna fit. Option 2 are these beautiful bamboo bins. The idea here is that you can kind of take it all out and access everything without having to move a million things to get to the stuff in back. You can see everything right here. These will usually run you somewhere between $15 and $30 depending on the size of the bin, the brand, all of that stuff, but they look beautiful and they're really sturdy. And then in that middle price point, I have these from IKEA. Same idea as the bamboo bin, but these are white plastic. These are the Verriera line. There are 2 different sizes. The smaller one is $6.99 Canadian and the larger one is $9.99 Canadian. But again, same idea is that you can take it out, you can see exactly what you have, and you can access the stuff in the back without moving a million things around. Especially for things that are higher up, you can bring this right down to your counter and you can get everything and put it back really easily. Of course, you could always do the price point of $0 and use something you have at home, like a shoebox or a container that came from something else, or you can just really pare down what you have, declutter well, and have nothing there, and you can still access everything. So which of these works best in your home?